We move towards exercise 4.2 quadratic equations. Question number 5. The altitude of a right angle triangle is 7 centimeter less. So what is altitude is, this is altitude is, ये वाला altitude होता है, this is altitude. ये suppose we consider a triangle ABC in which this is altitude. AB is altitude क्योंकि ये perpendicular है, ये theta है, and this is altitude यानी कि perpendicular जिसको आप बोलते हैं perpendicular. So this is base and this is hypotenuse. ठीक है. So this is if the altitude of a triangle is altitude, let the altitude be x. Let the altitude be equal to x. इसको x मान लेते हैं. So altitude of a right angle triangle is altitude is equal to 7 less than its base. 7 less than its base. 7 minus b हो जाएगा. इसको हमने b मान लिया. Suppose this is b, base is b, and hypotenuse is given as 13 centimeters. So this is x is equal to 7 minus b. This is first equation now. So what is according to Pythagoras theorem? According to Pythagoras theorem, so this is मतलब कि h square is equal to p square plus b square. So what is h? H is 13 centimeters. So 13 का square हो जाएगा यहाँ पे. What is p square? Perpendicular. Altitude जिसे आप बोल रहे हो वो x है, x square. b कितना है? b. तो b का square. So what is a value of x? Putting the value of x in this, putting the value of x from 1, equation number 1. In this from equation number 1. ये वाली equation से हम इसमें डाल देते हैं x की value. तो this is 169. 13 into 13 is 169. And x square is 7 minus b whole square plus b square. So this is equal to 49 plus b square, a square plus b square minus 2 into a into b plus b square equal to 169. So this is now, इसको हम यहाँ ले लेते हैं. 49 plus b square plus b square is 2b square. So 2b square, ये 2b square हो जाएगा plus minus 14b plus 49 minus 169 is equal to 0. इसको हम यहाँ ले गए 169. So we get equation as 2b square minus 14b minus 1 कितना आ जाएगा ये 120 आ जाएगा ये. हाँ 120 आ जाएगा इक्वल टू 0. So this is b square minus 7b minus 60 is equal to 0. So अब हमें एक्चुअली क्या करना है, 60 का factors, we need 60's factors. So this is 3 into 20, 2 into 10, 2 10 the 20, 2 5 the 10 and 5 1 the 5. So इसके factors कितने आ गए? 60 के factors आ गए आपके 3 into 2 into 2 into 5. अभी हमें चाहिए 7. तो 7 कैसे आएगा इसमें? 3 for the 12, this is 12 and this is 5. So 12 into 5, हम अगर ले लेते हैं 12 और 5 को तो 12 minus 5 is 7. So b square minus 12b plus 5b minus 60 is equal to 0. b is common, b minus 12. 5 is common, b minus 12 equal to 0. So b plus 5 and b minus 12 equal to 0. So b plus 5 equal to 0. b minus 12 equal to 0. So this is b is equal to minus 5. b is equal to 12. So b is equal to 12 हम ले लेते हैं, माइनस में नहीं आएगा ना, माइनस में नहीं आता है. So b is equal to 12. We get b is equal to 12. यानी कि बेस जो आपका 12 आ गया, ये 13 दे रखा है. तो अब हमें क्या चाहिए? 7 माइनस b. So x की वैल्यू है 7 माइनस b. 7 लेस देन द ये एक्सिस b माइनस 7 ही आएगा वैसे, b माइनस 7 ही आएगा लास्ट में ना, थोड़ा सा. So b minus 7 is b is equal to 12. So 12 minus 7 is equal to 5. So this is 5. इसका आंसर हो जाएगा 5 and 12. So we have finished this. More towards